My customer from Redwood City called me to do the maintenance service for his air conditioner and furnace. This is the filter grill. Customer should replace, or you can call me at my cell phone 650-333-5145. I can do the maintenance service. It's good to replace before summer and before winter. The air filter, in this case, it's in bad conditions, so I'm going to replace a new one, and the airflow will work better and the system will last longer too. When the filter is dirty, there's air restriction. The unit will take longer to cool the house or to warm up. Once again, if you need service, you can call me at my cell phone. I work in San Mateo County and Santa Clara County, 650-333-5145. Thank you.